from Utah Facial Plastics joining me now. You need those kissable lips.
You need those kissable lips, and there's something for everyone.
There's something for everyone.
Something for everyone.
So how does someone start? Say they want a little fuller lip. What do they do? There are different types of fillers people need to know about.
There's many different types of fillers. So we can do anything from nobody's ever going to know, and we're just kind of restoring that volume to the va-va-voom. And there's fillers that are more for volume. There's fillers that are more for structure, for the base of your lip. I mean, there's something for everybody.
So someone who wants a more natural, who, you know, not noticeable, what would you
suggest? Baby lip plump.
Oh, the baby lip plump.
And it is. It's just like a little
lift.
Tiny, yeah.
Okay, what are we seeing here, befores and after?
Befores and afters, yeah. That is, I think that's the baby lip plump.
Pretty.
And then we have a full lip plump, which is Juvederm or Restylane. You know, each filler has its own reason to use.
The benefits.
The benefits.
What do most people around here want?
Usually Juvederm, so usually more volume, you know, but also everybody sometimes needs just to like reframe their lip. As we age, things start to collapse, as we all know. And so sometimes we just need to structure it and just to bring it back to life a little bit.
Alfie, your lips. Do people say, I want Alfie's lips because they're so good?
Thank you. That's very sweet. Yeah, I didn't used to have any lips. I couldn't even wear chapstick.
Because you didn't have anything there.
Yes, so
and now
it's taken me years, yeah. I mean, it's kind of an occupational hazard. I gotta, you know, all right, we're done.
I love them, but does it take time, maybe if you want to get to that level, that it takes a minute?
Yeah, and we can make it look natural. It doesn't have to look fake or, you know, we can really just, we have people come in and then we talk to them what they want and then we help them achieve that.
And then what is the perfect, is there such thing as the perfect lip? Is there the perfect framed?
Yeah, I mean, and you'll see them on like commercials or hats or, you know, but everybody, like some people look better with a bigger upper lip, some people don't. There's a ratio, you know, that is standard for the United States, but there's really just a million
There's
things
so many, and you point out a good one because it depends on your face shape. And
your ethnicity.
Ethnicity, does it look right? Will it be natural? There's so many things you need to talk about, and that's why consultations are important.
It is an art, and it is a relationship. It's your face, so you want to go to the right person, make sure that they're educated, that they're going to be safe, they're going to know what to do if anything goes wrong, they know which fillers to use for your goals. Things like that.
There is a true science behind it.
Yeah, there is. It's fun.
Is there anything people can do, like just put some lip gloss to make it look a little?
Yes, there are lip glosses that do that, but I'm more of like a fix-it.
Fix it, right? Yeah. Wake up and go.
Yeah.
All right, what do people need to do if they are interested in getting that perfect lip?
Well, we're having a Valentine's special, so they just need to call our office, and we have $75 off a half syringe and $100 off a full. And we're also offering 10% off gift certificates.
Well, this is the time to go.
Yeah, it's Valentine's Day.
It's Valentine's Day. Get it for your sweetheart, especially if they've been watching and asking and just
or yourself. It's a pandemic.
For yourself. Why don't get a 2-for-1 for your mom or whoever.
Yes.
That number there on your screen, utahfacialplastics.com. And you say, why does your provider matter?
It really matters for safety, experience. Just make sure you research your provider, you know, do their reviews, Google them, look at their before and afters, and really ask the questions, you know, if they know their anatomy and their physiology and what to do if anything goes wrong.
So much knowledge. Utah Facial Plastics, you guys know what's going on, and you're the go-to place.
Yes.
Especially for lips and everything else. Up next, tips to buying large pieces of furniture, Brian.
And still ahead, how much time do you spend on your phone, your computer, maybe your iPad? If it's over 10 hours a day, you may want to detox. We'll teach you how at the end of the show.